my name is Machi, and I'm a clinical psychologist by profession. I offer psychological support to employees at the workplace, but I also offer individual therapy to different persons using various psychological techniques. In this video, I will talk about how to prepare for a job interview, and specifically in terms of discussing how do we counter nervousness before we go for an interview. So the first thing to do is always to get ready and to be prepared. That also will determine how you interact with your interviewer, for example. So have you done enough research about the company? Do you know the person who's going to interview you? So it's very important to get that information beforehand so that you know how to interact with the person. The second thing is how you present yourself. Physical appearance or how you dress is very important because we are judged normally by how we dress or how we look. Don't look shabby, dress appropriately. It doesn't mean you have to buy new clothes, but look presentable. The other thing is your body language. Are you portraying confidence, or are you the kind of person who's looking very nervous? If you look very nervous, then you obviously will not get high scores during your interview. So project confidence is have your head high up. Are you the one who's always crossing your arms, or are you presenting an open posture where you're welcoming people to talk to you? Is about also your personality. So are you more engaging, or are you the one who's more reserved? Naturally, we become very anxious about a job interview, which it's okay and it's acceptable. It's human nature to be anxious, to be in a situation where we're not familiar with, to feel anxious. So the first thing you can do, some of the things that you can do, is to relax. Find relaxation exercises that work for you. For example, breathing exercises. Or the morning before, are you the kind of person who meditates? So find time, or rather find space where you're able to remain calm. The most also important thing to do, also be ready, or rather come early before your interview. You're there on time, right before time, so that you're also not rushing during the interview process. That can also contribute to your nervousness because you feel unprepared. Come on time, or rather come early, and get time to where you're able to relax and interact with the different people in the organization before you go into the interview room. Thank you for joining us in this discussion. You can book my services on ponea.com. We look forward to engaging with you more on the next episode.